Good morning, and what an absolutely beautiful morning it is today. Big pink clouds, blue sky. It is going to be a fantastic day in the Lake District today, and I've got a real treat for you. Totally off the beaten track. I'm not going to say where it is. We'll get there and I'll get kitted up. Got Finn with me today. She's probably wondering who the hell I'm talking to, so I'm going to get gone. So I'll see you there. Favourite valley, about to go up my favourite mountain. This is the Duddon Valley, and this is Harter that we're going up. First part of this walk is pretty much all forest track. Comes out into the open in a minute. There's not much of a forest there anymore. They did quite a lot of deforestation work a couple of years ago. It's a shame because it would have all been like this once upon a time. But the upside is you get the views as you're going up the forest track, which is quite nice, obviously, for getting some nice photographs. And then about halfway up, we come off the forest track and we go straight up the fell. I've just seen 2 deer crossing the track up ahead there. Spin round. They just crossed the path right here, so now I'm thinking, should I get my other lens out? Because they might still be in this bit here. Should I? Let's go and see if we can see the deer. Finn can smell them. Had a good ratch round over there. She can smell them, but she didn't see them, honestly. Useless dog. It's a bank holiday weekend. You think everywhere else will be already starting to fill up, and there's nobody here. I think we'll probably won't see that many people at all today, really. You can enjoy the lakes, and it is very, very Lake Districty round here, quintessential Lake District, but it still feels quite wild and remote. So I think the photograph I've just taken there is going to be a bit rubbish. Well, it is rubbish, I can tell you now, it's rubbish. Finn's having fun. Aren't you, Finny? Yeah? You having fun? Having a good time? Yay! Come on. On my shoulder there is Seathwaite Tarn. Nice little secluded spot. And then you can go off from the back side of Seathwaite Tarn. You can go up to Dow Crag, and then obviously onto various other routes. Right above my head there is Greyfriar. View's looking quite nice over there now. Don't know if you can see, but just let me see if I can get my finger on it there. That's Bowfell in the clouds. Very iconic shape. Pointy summit, you can spot it a mile off. These are the crinkles here, and then you got Cold Pike there-ish. There's actually more heather today than there was last week. No, sorry, 2 weeks ago when I went to Lingmoor to find heather. When I don't want to find it, there's loads of it. Look at that. That right there is a photo opportunity, so I'm going to get my camera out. I'm going to see what I can get. up. Those views. Let's go. Finn's having a great time. She's eating loads of grass. She's kind of like a cow dog, you know. Ain't you, Finn? It's going to get quite muddy in a minute, I think. Last time I was here, it was like a swamp. As you pass through these woods. It smells absolutely gorgeous in here. That nice, peaty, mossy smell. I absolutely love. If you could bottle that, make a aftershave out of it, I'd wear it. Yeah. Oh, the bog. Right. This is the bit where we finish the forest track, and we're going to go through this gate and start climbing up the fell. This is the most strenuous part of the walk, really. Probably about 15 minutes of hard graft, but then you're at the top and that's it, you know. And the views over there are absolutely stunning. I'll show you them in a sec. So let's go. Almost at the summit now. Got some cracking shots off over towards U-Barra and Pillar in the background as well there. Absolutely beautiful. Look at these guys here. Wait there, Finny. Wait. Look at these. Spin round. Oh. Hello, Hurdy. And here we are. At the trig point. You reckon, Finny? You've been up here lots of times, haven't you? Look at that for a view. Eskdale. You've got Scafell, Pike, Great End, Esk, Pike, Bowfell, Crinkle Crags. A lot. How's this for a lunch spot? Look at this. This would actually give you quite a bit of shelter as well on a bad day. In fact, that's exactly what I've done. Come out a few times. Alright, let's take some photographs, Finny. So my go-to lens is definitely for landscape. 70 to 200, just because it gets me up close. Things like that. So I'll take this shot now, quite close in. Just gorgeous. I find that when you have, when using wide angle lenses, I tend to find that the mountains look tiny, you know, it just flattens them. Whereas with this, you can really get up close. I'm going to spin this round. She's just sat there. Oh, she thinks I'm taking a photograph of her. She's going to be a bit disappointed when she realises I haven't taken a single one of her yet. Gorgeous. Right, I'm going to get some lunch now. Hey, Finny, get some food? Yeah? You having a good time, Finn? You having a good time? Is it time for food? Yay! Food time! try and find Finn's lead. Because when I took my jumper off before, I dropped a lead somewhere, so I'm going to have to get back down to the track that I mentioned before and then run back up and see if I can find it. I think I know where I've left it, but hopefully no one's picked it up. Oh, the fun you can have from a stick. Hopefully I've not left anything here. Any camera equipment. That'd be quite upsetting. Is that a nice shelter? Weirdly enough, just as I'm leaving, it suddenly got very, very busy around here. So, perfect time if you ask me. Get the hell out of here. So I'm heading back down now to Dunnerdale. What the hell? Oh, I just found I fell down a big hole. Poor Finn's jumped out of a skin. There's a very, very cool place down here. Devil Rock. Look at you. This is so different to a lot of places in the lakes. Look at it. It's on the altar of sacrifice. We take the sacrificial dog, slaughter her. That is where I need to be. We made it. So we came down off here, look, all the way down through some pretty horrendous terrain, it has to be said. Wouldn't you just love to live there? Whew. I know I would. Almost back to the car now. A few hundred yards. Across the bridge. Back into the car park. Oh darling, it's only me. Yeah. Yeah, brilliant. Back down now, yeah. Yeah, I did, yeah. So I'll be heading back now. Okay, yeah. I'll be coming straight home. Yeah. Bloody hell. Bring on the winter. We want winter, we don't have horrible bugs in winter. Everything's dead. Well, I really hope you've enjoyed this vlog. It's difficult to know what to do, what to say really, you know, is this interesting, is it not interesting? Do you want to know about the photography? Do you want to know about the environment? Just let me know in the comments, just say, you know, you're talking too much about this, or you're not talking enough about the environment and, you know, the mountains and, you know, what's that river down there called? Or what are your camera settings? Let us know that, you idiot. Just let me know what you think of the videos. I want to improve them, I want to get better. So, and also don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. And I'll see you next time. See ya.